Hello, class. So, this is what I want to do with you guys. I want to do this PWM assignment with you all. So I'm just going to go to courses, and I'm going to go to the day, Monday, Wednesday, and let's go to modules right here. And so under modules, you will see PWM, and this is an assignment right here. Now, what you see here is this is the lecture right here. This is the lecture, so don't worry about that. But I want to go to the assignment here. And so what do we have? The primary thing the only thing that I have in there right now are these resources. So I could type some stuff in here, but hey, look, I want to get it done. So resources, the resources are going to take us to a folder here. Now, the folder has video as well as data points. So you'll see that I have this video here. I could actually play it. And I'm producing these data points from this video. Now, why the PWM and 400 microseconds occurs before the PWM 600 microseconds, I'm not sure. But any two ways, we have both of these, and we have 800, we have 1,000 microseconds, and then 1,200. So what I want to do is I actually want to show you what we did. And if you, for some reason, choose to do this yourself, which I think is greatly beneficial, but if you don't have access to the resources, that's totally fine as well. Hey Siri, set the timer for 4 minutes.
Your timer is set for 4 minutes.
Let's go ahead and bring this down. And before I do that, I want to show you the application that I'm going to use. This is the application right here, and it's called Video Physics. So I'll go back to experiments, and you'll see that I have a bunch of experiments in here. So this allows me to bring in videos. So I could just take a video, I could choose an existing one, I could work with sample videos and stuff like that if I wanted to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download that video. And this Video Physics actually costs, if you want it, you can buy it, or you can have me download it from my own account, but it probably will be good for you to just buy it for yourself. I think it'll just trump quite a few problems that might occur. So let me go back to Dropbox here. I'm going to download this, and I'm going to download this by using this export feature, okay? And so you'll see that it says, I can say save video, that would take it to the photos, or I can use open in. So I'm going to select open in. And when I select open in, I'm going to look for Video Physics here. So in the Video Physics, you'll see that it comes up experiment 3. If you look in the middle, the top middle, I'm going to go back to experiments here. And I want to change the name by going over to the I in the right-hand corner. So you'll see I here. And I want to change this name. I'm going to call this, and I think this was 400. So let me just call it 400 microseconds. And count 50. So that kind of gives me some nice info. I'm just going to go ahead and do it like so. And say OK. So I can go into this video, and I can actually set my origin and scale. So I'm going to play the video a little bit. So you'll see that the video starts off fast and then it slows down. So I'm just going to do this again. Hey, how y'all doing? It's going pretty good. So, say it again. Oh, it was great. It was great. How about y'all?
That's great. It's fun. Right. We made hot dogs on a panini press.
Right.
Yeah, because we didn't have a barbecue.
Right.
The little things.
Cool. So you'll see that this video starts off where it's going fast and then it slows down. So that's me putting it in slow motion. And so from slow motion, that's what I want to do. I'm going to go ahead and just pause this and move. So like so. So this is called my scaler. I use it, I call it the pixel rod, and it allows me to scale the video. So there's a black box back here, and I know exactly what it is. I know its length. It's 49.31. And I did put 32, and that's millimeters, okay? So I also have an X and Y coordinate system here. And I want to place this at the pivot point. So the pivot point is the point about which this rod is rotating. So we can leave this here now. For documentation procedures, I would definitely take a snapshot of this and then move from there. So I'm going to track this particular disk, and I'm going to use the track feature in the lower right hand corner. You see it says TRACK. I'm going to play this. And now what's nice about this is that you don't have to place points on here. Now you have not had the privilege of suffering through placing 40, 50 points on a screen. This thing is actually putting them on there for us automatically. So I'm going to stop right there, and what we're going to do is when we come back, we'll take this information over to Microsoft Excel and we'll analyze it. All right?